Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a Binance account in 2025. If you are new to crypto or just want to get started on Binance safely, this is the video for you. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to www.binance.com. Always double check the URL. There are fake sites out there. Now click on sign up button in the top right corner. Then you can enter your phone or email number, email address. Just copy your email and paste here. Easy, right? Then click next. Now complete the security verification. That's good. Always check that your email is secure. Just you can uh, you can use your Google account or Apple account or Telegram. Just enter your email, then click next. Now open your email inbox and copy the code and paste here. Then use a strong password. Then click next. Then click next again. Now follow the process. Select your recipients, then give your um, now upload a photo of your government issued ID and selfie or live photo. Make sure the image is clear and not cropped. Binance may also ask you to turn your head on camera to confirm liveness. Once submitted, Binance usually verifies your identity in a few minutes to a few hours. You will get an email when it's done. After that, Binance offers a few ways to register, like email, phone number, or even via Google. You will now receive next. Binance will prompt you to set up two-factor authentication, highly recommended for your account security. You can choose Google Authenticator, SMS verification, or both. This skip takes a few minutes. This skip this step this step takes a few This step takes a minute but adds a big layer of protection. To unlock full feature access like deposits, withdrawals, and trading, you need to complete Binance KYC or know your customer verification and follow the process which I said earlier. Now you are in. From here, you can access your dashboard, deposit funds, and start trading. Now that your account is ready, take a quick tour. Click on Wallet, then go to Spot to see your balances. You can hide your balance clicking by eye icon from here and click again. That's it. Now check out buy crypto to deposit funds. Click on buy crypto. You can buy crypto via Visa, MasterCard, ARTM, Skrill, Apple Pay, or third-party seller from markets or P2P from P2P tabs. Just click on P2B and go to sell or buy. Then click buy USDT. Or explore markets to see live price charts. One last tip: go to security section from your accounts and set up anti-phishing code. This adds a custom phrase to every Binance email so you know it's legit. You can turn on Authenticator app for extra security, then verification email, phone number, passkey, etc. And that's it. That's how you create a Binance account in 2025. Safe, secure, and ready for action. Drop a comment if you have questions and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next time.